In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to see stories on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the inbox. This type of screen will appear in front of you and you can see here different stories are displaying. You can tap on this icon and the story that people shared with you will be displayed on your screen. That was all that how to see stories on TikTok. Thanks a lot. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.